Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you my new favorite road. Maybe some of you are familiar with this, but I wasn't. I've traveled it now maybe 2 or 3 times to get down to the Charlotte area in North South Carolina there. And while most of this route is not like great, it's just okay. Here in West Virginia, right around here where 64, I think maybe even in here, it's called the West Virginia Turnpike. Oh my God, this area is so cool as long as there's not heavy traffic, as long as there's not construction. It is fantastic. It became easily my newest favorite route or highway to drive. I just wish it was closer to my house. It's just way too far away. What makes it great is you've got 2 lanes, but it changes into 3 lanes for a large part of it. The roads are super smooth. There's generally large shoulder areas and giant sweeping curves, just left, right, left, right. Not only is this highway, this turnpike here, cool to drive on, and you can go pretty fast. It doesn't feel like dangerous. When you've got some of those switchback areas, like the tail of the dragon, things like that, it's pretty dangerous. It's easy to go too fast. The curves are super sharp. This does not feel dangerous. It's just like, again, these big sweeping curves just don't feel that dangerous. Like, you got to be going really, really fast to feel like really unsafe. So I just absolutely love this new favorite highway. It makes me want to travel down here more often. Then you've got areas like here, giant tunnels, East River Mountain. This tunnel is, it's one of these tunnels is like a mile. I don't know. I'll look it up. But there's this tunnel here, East River Mountain. There's a sign here, welcome to West Virginia. And then you go down here and you got another Big Walker Mountain Tunnel. I mean, these things are just super cool to drive through. And yeah, not only is this route really cool, it's really long. I don't know, this is like 2 or 3 hours of this. It's just like never ending. The only couple of things that make it a bummer is there's some construction kind of always going on in a couple parts here and there. Nothing to back me up for a long amount of time, just enough to make it aggravating. Some parts can get a kind of a lot of traffic, but it really, I think what's slowing it down was the construction. And then there's tolls. There are 2 or 3 like massive toll booths. I think you end up, if you take that whole route, it might be $12 if I'm not mistaken. That's kind of crazy. It is, 2 or 3 hours. You know what I gotta say though? $12 for that kind of drive, for that kind of fun, entertainment, it might be the only toll I've happily paid. So anyway, I just wanted to share this, throw some time-lapse footage at you, and just to kind of give you an idea of what it was like and what a great time I had on this highway. So that's it, guys. Tell me, what other routes do you guys like? Again, tail of the dragon, all right. I like these big sweeping curves though. Honestly, I just kind of prefer them. It just feels safer, and to me it's more fun. And then honestly too, people in the car with you, they don't get sick. And I've gotten sick on places like Tail of the Dragon. I haven't been to Tail of the Dragon myself, but I've been to places like Tail of the Dragon. If you've ever been to Maui, Road to Hana, that is actually super dangerous. A ton of really blind curves and stuff. That is not, to me, that is just not fun at all. And I've literally gotten some motion sickness just driving, because the switchbacks are just constant. They just never end. And again, it's not fun, just because it just feels way too dangerous, and it's just completely filled with tourists. That is not a fun drive, in my opinion. Please put down below other big highways like this that you guys are aware of, because I honestly obviously don't get out much, because I'm missing out on some of this stuff. This is fantastic.